Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp marketing? Let's dive into how to sign up for Aisensy and unlock a world of automation. First, head over to the Aisensy website. Aisensy.com. You'll spot a prominent sign up button, usually in the top right corner or center of the page. Click on it to begin. You'll now be greeted with the Signup Form. Enter your full name, a valid email address, and your phone number, including your country code. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password for your account. After filling in your details, Aisensy will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your messages and enter the code in the provided field to verify your number. This step is crucial for accessing all Aisensy features. Next up, setting up your business profile. Enter your business name, select your industry from the drop-down menu, and optionally, add your website URL. This information helps Aisensy tailor its features to your specific needs. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for Aisensy. Now you can explore the dashboard and start creating chatbots, sending bulk messages, and managing your customer interactions. Be sure to check out the Aisensy help documentation for detailed guides and tutorials on how to use all of its powerful features. Welcome to the world of WhatsApp automation.